Hey there, I'm Guy Javerone with Agentive Storedge, and I'd like to present to you AI Storage Reviews, the all-in-one review management dashboard and automation platform. It's real simple. We use a 6-step process in conjunction with AI to take the task of getting, responding, and posting reviews out of your hands, out of your manager's hands, and this is perfect for remote storage where you're trying to save as much manpower as possible and get the most bang for your buck. AI Storage Reviews is leveraging AI to streamline your storage review management and optimize performance. Automated collection, we combine automated collection with review management, reputation monitoring, actionable insights, so that you can make the best decisions possible with your SEO strategy, with your ad strategy. Agentive Storedge is a comprehensive solution that streamlines the collection, management, and analysis of customer reviews, helping storage facilities enhance their operations, improve customer satisfaction. How do we do that? First thing we do, the 6-step process. First thing is we collect your data from your self-storage management software, all of your move-ins, right? So once we get that data, we send out automated requests, SMS and email. We repeat that twice, right? So we'll send the first one out. A day later, we'll send the second one out, and we can tweak that to what you feel comfortable. I don't like asking more than twice, but what we do is if someone doesn't respond to the SMS or the email, we put them in a 90-day cycle, and 90 days later, we try again. We request, once the positive responses come in, we actually take those responses and reply to them using AI. We have an automated prompt and take the information from the response and spits it back at the customer, increasing your sentiment analysis that Google does on every review. The better reviews you have, the better you rank. You can actually put some ranking characteristics into your review responses. That's why it's so important to respond to all your reviews, but we're busy. Some of us are one-man shows or one-woman shows, and it can get very difficult to respond to every review that comes in. So we make this easy and respond on autopilot for you. After that, we actually take those reviews and we post them to your social media. We'll put them and create posts with them, and we'll post them to your social media, and we'll scrape those reviews, the links from Google, and you can actually build backlinks to those. So we'll grab all those links and send them to you or send them to your SEO provider. And it's very important that you build backlinks to your review links. It's like having a free authoritative review link or free authoritative link to your self-storage facility, and it really helps your SEO. So just to recap, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to download all your move-ins every day, and then we'll send them a custom SMS and a custom email. And we repeat this process. As you can see here, we've got it set to 3 days. And this is part of the dashboard that you'll actually get access to once you're into the system. This dashboard also lets you see what's happened, right? So you've got the date here. If you've got behind this wall here, you'll see your actual people that we contacted, names and emails. You'll see when the email was sent out, and you'll actually see if it was open. And you can see here that the SMS was opened. You'll see it delivered, and you'll see that they actually opened the email and opened the SMS on their phone. And this will actually give us an idea of whether you've got some real emails or some real phone issues, because it'll tell us whether it got delivered or not. And this is what you'll have access to in the customer dashboard. Second part you'll see here is when the positive review comes in, you'll get access to see how our software, our reviews AI actually replies. It's trained to actually take the positive review and spit it back to the customer in a positive way, using all the positive words that are in their review, so that you can semantically relate positive feedback into the Google algorithm. After that, we take those positive reviews, and we have several different ways that we can put it on your site. It's a piece of code that we give you, it's a widget that you can put on your site. We can do grid, masonry, lists, pretty much anything you want, even the floater on the bottom. This works with any site, regardless of what software you use. We give this to you, your webmaster can put it on your site in different locations, that we can actually do a couple different ones as well. And the second to final step is we turn all those into posts But usually what we'll do with Storedge is we'll put custom background, whether it's your storage facility or your logo, and we'll post it to your social media. We do require access just to post to your social media in order to do this. But again, this happens on autopilot, and you'll see here, we got Facebook and Instagram. We also have a few others that we have availability to, and we can show you how to syndicate to the rest of them. The dashboard is pretty slick. We got an overview. We usually will set goals for our particular facility depending on how many move-ins they get per month. And you'll see that we'll tell you how many invites were sent out, how many reviews were received, what your sentiment was, your average rating. You'll also see your trends across different months, and you can see requests versus opens and objects. An additional bonus, along with the overview of the workflow, you'll see how it was sent via workflow. Most of it is going to be via workflow. The only other thing you might see is if you do have the ability in the dashboard to send an individual invite. I don't recommend it because we've got access to your storage software and we'll do it for you on autopilot. But this kind of gives you an idea of the latest reviews that come in. And you also get a QR code that you can use to print out, add to the facility. Use this at your desk. If you have an office, we can put the QR code on the window. They can scan this and it will actually track that someone scanned it and whether they took action after the review opportunity came into view. Current integrations, we're integrated with SiteLink, Storedge, and Easy Storage Solutions. Coming soon, we're working on Self-Storage Manager, Tenant Inc., and several others. We just haven't solidified those deals yet, but it is a full automated system. The plug and play, once we set it up, brief onboarding period. We do offer doing a review blast if you haven't done reviews in a while, but we can blast out to your existing customers, filter for anybody you don't want. And then once the system is turned on, every day we look in there, see if you got some move-ins, and we let the system do its thing. And that's Agentive Storage Reviews. It's an all-in-one review management dashboard and automation platform. To get started today, visit agentivestorage.com/AI review automation. This is Guy Javerone with AI Storage Reviews, and I'm out. This is Guy Javerone with AI Storage Reviews. If you have any questions, hit us up. You can hit me on social media or just email me at the email on the page.